बाहिरतिर one of the things that incubation centers does is also helps you find co-founders.
Wow.
So you start your business and you have this idea and you're validating that idea and you काम गरेर हुन्छ म यो गर्न सक्छु भनेर पनि. So there have been instances where I forget the exact names, but यो अब अहिले आएर successful भएकोमा when they started out and they had this thing that they wanted to do, they've been told by their VCs or their friends to go find a partner for yourself, go find a co-founder. भन्ने. So त्यो practice चाहिँ हुँदो रहेछ बाहिर. अब I'm sure
like complementing more
exactly,
like weakness
because you are a great tech product a person, but you need someone to go sell it, you know. So त्यो होला or like properly त्यो complementing skills भएको त्यो चाहिँ चाहिँदो रहेछ. So and बाहिर that's what they do, and I'm sure बिस्तारै यहाँ पनि होला.
But there are pitfalls of finding a bad partner.
No,
Wrong partner,
of course.
like
if yeah,
like life. Yeah,
it's more than finding a real partner. भन्दा पनि गाह्रो छ business partner.
त्यो business partner, it's not about being friends because you can be friends and be bad business partners. यहाँको understanding अर्को चाहिन्छ. But at the same time, business partner has to be a friend also. So
to a vision, what you're trying to achieve, that vision, suppose you believe you see that you sell something, like you have to sell this to your partners as well. Say, okay, podcast, like you want to do something, you find a partner, and then the person has to also see that vision, and let's work together and achieve that one.
Like for us, when we look at companies that we're looking to invest in, and there are 2-3 founders, partners, we always try to look at that chemistry. How do they feed off each other? Is it like one person leading and others just sitting down, or are they all putting it together? And त्यो सब गर्दा चाहिँ I think it's त्यो के अरे जुन chemistry हुन्छ नि partnership को, so त्यो चाहिँ we always look at. So VC ले त्यो, and they already know when we look at we look at products, we look at market, we look at organization, etc. We look at team very एकदम राम्ररी हेर्छौँ कि, not just your technical team and operations team, but entrepreneurs मा जुन त्यो bonding छ, how I think that's also quite important from our perspective, and it helps to when there are partners because then हामीलाई पनि one is it's not just dependent on one person, but also that we know they're complementing each other through their own skills.
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.